Watch this video and learn how to draw a carrot. Later on, Artie and Bunny have a dance break, and watch to the end to see a poem from Louie. Okay everyone, let's get ready. It's Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello Artie. Artie?
Oh, hello.
Are you in a good mood, Artie?
Yes, Artie is very excited for today.
Let's draw a carrot for Bunny.
Okay.
She'll be happy.
Yay. Oh, yeah.
Hey, little artists!
Greetings to you all!
What a carrot-tastic day it is. I'm so happy you are all here.
Are you ready to start, Artie?
I think I'm ready.
I can't wait to see you draw a carrot.
Yeah, okay. Let's do it.
We're going to start by drawing the right eye of our carrot. We'll draw a little oval shape in the middle of the page, and then inside that oval shape, we're going to draw a little dot and shade it in black. It looks like that eye is looking at you, Artie. Let's draw the left eye. So we're going to draw another oval shape coming out of that first one that we drew. Don't forget a little circle in the middle, shaded in black. If we're going too quick, here's a message from Barry Tone.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Thanks, Barry. Oh, that's a good idea, Artie. Let's add some eyebrows above our eyes. Should we add a big smiling mouth?
Yeah.
Draw a curved, smile-shaped line. That's it. And then another one just below to give it some thickness. Add two short lines on the ends.
Watching Artie make art is so exciting.
I love it!
Now it's time to draw the actual carrot. We'll start with the carrot's head. A curved line on the left, and then go across the top and curve back down again. That's right, Artie. Curve back down. There you go. Now let's draw the left side of our carrot's body. Start off from the left side of the head and come all the way down.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Hi. Wow, your drawings are creative as a bunny in a carrot patch. Bye for now, Artie, and don't forget to save me a spot in your next drawing.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Artie, I don't think Bunny realizes yet that you're drawing a carrot. She's going to be so excited when she sees. Now let's draw the right side of our carrot's body, but leave a little gap. Stop, just there. Yeah, leave a little gap there. We're going to draw arms in there later. Now come back down towards the bottom and draw a tiny little curve at the bottom to connect the two lines. Looking good.
I've had an idea.
Oh, are you going to do your homework?
No,
Yeah, I didn't think so.
Artie wants a dance break.
A dance break?
Yeah, let's go do dance break. Dance break.
Dancing makes me so happy.
That's a new move.
I'm at a loss for words. It was just so beautiful, really. 10.
Yay! That was a really fun dance break.
You and Bunny were great.
Yeah, Artie tired. Ooh. Phew.
Should we finish our drawing?
Oh, yeah.
Come on then.
Okay.
Let's draw a right arm through that little gap that we left earlier. A curved line, and then another curved line just below. Then we'll add a hand. First we'll do the bottom part, and then let's draw the thumb. A nice big thumbs up. Then 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now he has a hand. Watch to the end to see Louie read some poetry. Now let's draw the left arm. We're going to fill in that little gap that we left. 2 lines. And then let's do the left hand. A thumb and 3 little fingers. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now we're going to add some little curved lines. These are called contour lines. They add some 3-dimensional shape to our drawing and make it look curved because a carrot's curved. Excellent.
I don't know what he's drawing, but it's sure gonna be great.
Oh, Barry, you've set the neighbour's dogs off barking again. Now let's draw the green part that sticks out the top of a carrot. Draw a nice jaggedy shaped line. A little curve with a V, curve, V. Let's do another one. V shape first, and then curve. Let's go back up towards the top. The more jagged you can make the line, the better. Oh, it looks like Louie's getting ready for Poetry Corner.
Have you ever seen inside her handbag? It's quite... Oh! Hello, and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today we have a really special one because it's a poem about me. Okay, here we go. Hello, my friends. It's Louie here, with shapes to share and lots of cheer. A cube, a cone, a line so straight. Learning shapes is simply great. I watch the dance breaks. What a show. Artie's moves always steal the glow. A perfect 10 is what I give, because Artie dances like he wants to live. With shapes and spins and so much fun, Artie's show is number 1. Oh, wow, that was marvellous.
Well, that was marvellous, Louie. Thank you very much. Now let's draw another green leaf coming out of the top of our carrot's head. Same thing again, lots of lines and V's and jagged shapes. I always enjoy drawing jagged lines. They're so much fun. Are you enjoying yourself, Artie? It seems that you're really having fun with this one.
Yeah, Artie's having so much fun. Thank you.
Well, my pleasure, Artie. We're having fun watching you. A couple more jagged lines to complete that leaf. And I think probably just one more green leaf on the top, Artie. Same thing again. Lots of nice jaggedy lines going out from the top of the carrot's head. It's getting there.
That looks lovely, Artie.
Great job, buddy.
You're nearly finished, Artie. Yay, you're finished with the leaves. Actually, not quite. Let's draw a line going up the centre of each leaf. Well, I don't know about you, but that looks pretty finished to me.
I finished.
I thought you had.
Yeah.
What now?
We could color it in.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, it looks so nice, Artie.
Oh, yeah, it looks really nice. I love all the colors.
Bright orange.
Yeah.
Are you happy with it?
Oh, I'm very proud. Thank you.
That's amazing!
You can say that again.
That's amazing!
You can say that again.
That's amazing! Hi, Artie.
Hi. Wow, a carrot! Did you draw that just for me?
Yeah.
Be sure to tune in tomorrow to Artie's show.
That was so much fun. Thank you for watching. Have an Artie day. Bye. Bye for now.